I'm going to show you the best 10 cardio workouts for fat loss. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 10, elliptical trainers. These machines were originally designed to minimize impact on the knees and hips, but still allow for a great workout. Because the impact is quite low, the calorie burning effect isn't as great as other cardio machines like treadmills and Stairmasters. However, the elliptical machine can be an excellent way to burn calories without wearing out your joints. The average 180-pound man may only burn close to 500 to 600 calories per hour if he's going at an above moderate pace. Number 9, running. Running at a steady, moderate pace is a sure way to burn fat and calories, but it's not the most efficient way to burn fat while maintaining muscle. An 180-pound man can burn about 940 calories an hour while running at an 8.5 minute mile pace. But it involves a lot of mileage for the time and effort put in. Running at this pace can also break down muscle and subject your body to lots of pounding. Number 8, stair climber. A stair climber offers another popular way to burn fat and calories, but only about 500 to 600 calories for a 180-pound man at a moderate pace. Because of the higher leg lift involved, climbing stairs uses significantly more muscles than just walking, strengthening your legs in a functional way. The primary drawback? Stair climbers can put a lot of weight and pressure on your joints, so it can be difficult for people with bad knees. Number 7, jumping rope. There's a reason the jump rope is the mainstay in a boxer's training regimen. It's cheap, easy to do, increases foot speed, and burns a ton of calories. Think of your favorite boxers, wrestlers, and fighters. They all jump rope. Jumping rope not only enhances your footwork, shoulder strength, and coordination, but it also stimulates sprinting, allowing you to burn as much as 500 calories in just 30 minutes. Number 6, kettlebells. While a kettlebell workout isn't technically a cardio-only exercise, its calorie-burning effects are too high to keep off this list. Kettlebell workouts combine the best of both worlds, strength training and cardio. In addition, a recent study on the calorie-burning effects of this type of workout puts it at around 20 calories per minute. You can expect to burn around 400 to 600 calories in just 30 minutes. Number 5, cycling. Stationary bikes are a mainstay at most gyms, but there's a reason most people aren't waiting in line to use them. You must be willing to go at an intense rate, so no pedaling while scrolling through your smartphone. During a vigorous indoor cycling or spin class, the average 180-pound man may burn close to 1,150 calories an hour, while a more moderate ride will burn half that amount at about 675 calories an hour. Number 4, swimming. Swimming is a total body workout that starts the second you begin treading water. You're essentially fighting gravity, so your muscles are working extra hard to keep you afloat without getting a break until you're out of the water. Just 1 minute of fast swimming can burn 14 calories. The type of stroke makes a difference. A breaststroke burns fewer calories than the butterfly, so be sure to incorporate different types of strokes in your training. Number 3, rowing. Rowing makes the list because it's a great way to incorporate the upper and lower body in a relatively low-stress manner on your joints and ligaments. It's also a great way to work the posterior chain. Following a moderate pace on the rowing machine can burn upwards of 800 calories an hour for an 180-pound guy. But increasing the intensity with short sprints will get that number well over 1,000 calories an hour very quickly. Number 2, high-intensity interval training. HIIT gives you a well-rounded workout while burning a ton of fat and calories. HIIT workouts can vary greatly from 500 calories per hour to 1,500 plus calories per hour for a 180-pound man. HIIT workouts are great because of the intensity of each exercise as well as the variation of exercises and reps. Pairing a bodyweight movement with a weighted movement and a traditional cardio element, and you have a recipe for an amazing fat burner. Number 1, sprinting. Sprints outside, on a treadmill, or even upstairs or bleachers are great to burn the most calories in the least amount of time. No equipment is really necessary, and you can do these workouts just about anywhere. Sprinting is simple, and it burns huge amounts of calories. When looking to shed fat, it tops the list. While steady state running or jogging burns plenty of calories, increasing your speed and intensity will really pay off. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to discover the 10 health benefits of stretching. That's it. That's all. See you next time.